Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. In previous lecture, what we seen the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so there are three merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. The first one is related to the atomic mass revised by the Mendeleev. Second, related with the vacant places. Third one is related with the place for the newly discovered element like noble gases. So in this lecture, we see the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay. So although he was the first scientist to successfully classify all the 63 elements, but still there have some mistakes, errors or drawbacks present in the Mendeleev's periodic table called demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. The first demerit is related with the whole number atomic mass. Whole number atomic mass. So the whole number atomic mass of some elements like cobalt and nickel are same. Whole number means, in our words, we can say that round figure. Okay. So the whole number atomic mass of some elements are same like cobalt and nickel, and hence there is a problem or there was an ambiguity regarding the sequence of the elements in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so ambiguity means uncertainty. Ambiguity means uncertainty. Okay, so the some elements like cobalt and nickel having the atomic mass, okay, the whole number atomic mass of cobalt and nickel are similar, and that's why they are not getting the proper sequence in the Mendeleev's periodic table. I repeat again. देखो, I repeat. Some elements having the whole number atomic mass are same. For example, cobalt 58.91 and that of nickel 58.73. Suppose the atomic mass of cobalt is 58.91 and that of nickel is 58.73. So for round figure or whole number we taken as 59 and this also we considered as 59. It means that both having the same atomic mass. So problem is that where to place the cobalt and where to place the nickel. Whether you should place the cobalt first or nickel first, and that's why the problem or ambiguity regarding the sequence of the place or sequence of the cobalt and nickel in the Mendeleev's periodic table. So this was the first merit. Okay, are you getting? Okay. Second, the isotopes are discovered after the Mendeleev's put for the periodic table. Okay, isotopes discovered later, the Mendeleev's already put for the periodic table. So isotope having the same chemical properties but their atomic mass are different. So the problem was posed to, or the challenge was posed to the position or the placement of the isotopes in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, देखो जो isotopes होते हैं, the second is related with the isotopes. किसे कहते हैं? What we call the isotope? First of all, you have to know what is meant by isotope. It's very simple. The atoms of the same element, which having same atomic number but different atomic mass number are called isotopes of each other. Let's have a look. Suppose carbon having the atomic number 6, atomic mass number 12. So second carbon having atomic mass number 6 but atomic mass number is 14. So this carbon 14 is isotopes of carbon 12. So atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different atomic mass number are called isotopes of each other. So Mendeleev put forth the periodic table, and later on isotopes were discovered. Isotopes were discovered. So the problem was posed. Or the challenge was posed regarding the position of isotopes in the Mendeleev's periodic table, as you know that the chemical properties of the isotopes are similar, but their atomic mass is different. Okay, so the isotopes not getting the proper position in the Mendeleev's periodic table, as isotope having the same chemical properties and the different atomic mass. Third one, when Mendeleev arranged the heavy elements in the increasing order of their atomic mass. When the Mendeleev arranged the heavy elements in the increasing order of their atomic mass, the sequence in the rise of atomic mass, the sequence of rise in atomic mass is not to be appear uniform. Okay, so the sequence of the rise in atomic mass was not uniform, and that's why it was very difficult to predict how many elements exist between the two elements which is discovered. Okay, let's have a look. Suppose the sequence is like that. Suppose sequence is like that. 101, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can easily predict how many elements exist between the 101 and 105. You can easily predict that there are 102, 1, 2 and 3 elements exist between these two. But if this rise in atomic mass is not uniform, like this, देखो 101, 103, 102, 105, 104. Okay, if sequence is like this, then you can't say how many elements exist between the 102 and 101. 101 and 102, how many elements were discovered? You can't say. Okay, it means that when elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass, the sequence in the rise in atomic mass were not appear to be uniform. So the problem was that there were no prediction about how many elements were exist between the two elements discovered. Okay, so this is regarding the sequence. And the fourth one regarding the position of element, that is hydrogen. So fourth one is related with the position of hydrogen. Okay, so it's very important demerits in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Let's see. The first one, the hydrogen shows the similarity with the elements of the two groups. Okay, let's have a look. Hydrogen shows similarity with the elements of the two groups. One is the alkali metal group, which is the first group in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Hydrogen shows the similarity with the alkali metal group, which is the first group in the Mendeleev's periodic table, and the second is the halogen group elements, okay, which is seventh group in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so first one, the hydrogen shows the similarity with the alkali metal as well as it shows the similarity with the halogen. Alkali metals such as lithium, sodium, potassium. Okay, and the halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so hydrogen shows the similarity with the alkali metal group, such as if alkalis react with oxygen, it forms the compounds like LiTO, Na2O, K2O. The same way, hydrogen when react with oxygen, H2O. It forms H2O, just similar to the alkali metal. The molecular formula of halogens are F2, Cl2, Br2 and the I2. The same way the molecular formula of hydrogen is H2. It means that properties of hydrogen similar with the halogen group elements as well as with the alkali metal group elements. So these are the 4 demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. I repeat again these properties. The first demerit is nothing but the whole number atomic mass. Otherwise, the whole number atomic mass of some elements like cobalt and nickel are same. So there was ambiguity regarding the sequence of the elements in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Second one, isotopes discovered after Mendeleev's already put for the periodic table. Isotope having the same chemical properties but had different atomic mass. So the isotopes not getting the proper position in the Mendeleev's periodic table. Third one, when Mendeleev's arranged the heavy elements, that is radioactive elements, in the increasing order of their atomic masses, the sequence in the rise in atomic masses not to be appeared uniform. So the problem was that there was no any correct prediction about how many elements were present between the two elements. And last one, the hydrogen shows the similarity with the two group elements like alkali metal groups was the first group and the halogen group elements. Alkali metals include the lithium, sodium, potassium like this. The halogen like fluorine, chlorine, bromine. So the properties of hydrogen get encountered with the alkali metal as well as encountered with the halogen. So hydrogen not getting the fixed position in Mendeleev's periodic table. Hydrogen not getting the proper position, okay, in the Mendeleev's periodic table because they shows the similarity with the two groups like alkali metal of first group and halogen of 7 group. Okay, so are you getting something? Today what we see, the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. So thank you.